Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on PVRINOX Limited. Our analysts maintain buy on PVR with an unchanged price target of Rs 1780, owing to robust content pipeline across languages, leading to continuation in improvement across operational metrics like footfalls, spend per head, and average ticket price. Occupancy and advertising income, which were soft in Q1, is expected to recover. Strong box office collection for Hollywood films in Q1 of FY24 and the recent success of Hollywood blockbusters like Oppenheimer, Mission Impossible reaffirms the belief that audience enthusiasm for theatrical movie-going remains intact when there is compelling content. Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani continues to enjoy glorious run as it continues to garner strong collection in its second week. Sunny Deol starrer Gadar 2 and Akshay Kumar starrer OMG 2 are another strong releases expected this week. We expect strong Q2 FY24 as traction returns on footfalls and other metrics backed by star-studded strong content lined up coupled with merger-related cost and revenue synergies. At the current market price, the stock trades at 24.6 times FY25 estimated EPS and 11.5 times FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. Next on radar is Gokaldas Exports. Our analyst maintains buy on Gokaldas with an unchanged price target of Rs 635. As expected, Q1 was soft, but outlook for second half of FY24 is strong. Management expect recovery in demand in some of the key export markets such as US and UK from second half of FY24. Q2 to be muted, as initial talks with customer for the spring-summer season show good signs of revival. In the long term, volume-led revenue growth would be driven by factors such as China Plus One strategy, FTA with UK and capacity expansion. It will add Rs 450 crore revenue. EBITDA margin is likely to see an improvement of 1.5% in the long term, largely driven by better operating efficiencies and improved product mix. The company remains net cash positive with Rs 433 crore. The stock trades at 19 times FY24 estimated earnings and 14 times FY25 estimated earnings. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.